Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and well, Microsoft did confirm that the famous update that reinstalls all the time is a problem, but it is fixed. So here what happened is that a lot of you have been coming back saying, well, we got this update that reinstalls all the time. And if you look at, if I look at my update history here in Windows 10, some of you, I probably have it in your Windows updates. It was the famous update KB5048239. So Microsoft pushed yesterday KB5050411 for that reason. That 5050411 fixes the reinstall, the fact that 5048239 reinstalls all the time. So it's replacing that update, and it's supposed to not reinstall, and it's supposed to install correctly on your system. Now, once again, some people are asking me, well, if it doesn't install, because I've seen some people saying that it doesn't install and it gets an error message, you can hide it. It doesn't matter. The only updates that you cannot hide, that you have to keep, are the cumulative update. When it says cumulative update, extremely important not to hide it, because from there, you won't be able to continue getting updates. But when they don't have the cumulative name on it, like this one, security update for Windows 10, it's a kind of an out of regular scheduled update. It's not, standard update that moves your build version into a new number. It's really something else. It's really a update on its own. So those can be actually blocked and with the show hide tool. And by hiding it, well, it just doesn't bother you anymore. So if you do have problems with 5050411, you can hide it. And remember that, it's supposed to fix the other one. So if you had a problem with this one, well, this one is supposed to fix that, so there shouldn't be any reinstalls anymore. And last but not least, because I got one comment, if I have this one now, should I unhide this one? 5048239. No, when you hide an update, you never need to unhide it. You hide it, you hide it. It's hidden, it's gone. Good riddance. Never go back. You don't need to unhide or remove, the fact that you hid some update. It doesn't matter. So just saying. So yeah, 5050411 is supposed to be a fix for that. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.